Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can use dual WhatsApp in Realme phone. So in order to clone your WhatsApp and you have two separate and independent instances for the WhatsApp or practically any other messenger application, you gotta, first of all, obviously download and install the app, then launch settings. Onwards, enter the apps category. In here you'll find the designated app cloner page, so that's obviously what you would like to go for. In here, choose the WhatsApp app from the list, turn on the toggle in front of a create app clone option, then wait for the system to clone or copy the app. Then in here you can set the custom name, so you will be able to better tell which instance or which copy of the app is which. So let's say I'll rename it to clone. Well, not an original name, but still. And as you can see, now I have two independent and individual WhatsApp instances. One is original and one is copied or cloned. So that will be pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.